जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 49th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, "O Arjuna, try to remember two things whenever you perform your duty. Your karma are three types, as I said: day-to-day routine, occasional things that you do, and out of desire, few things you do. So those are called as nitya karma, naimittika karma, kamya karma. Whenever you perform any of these things, two things you have to remember. The first thing is, whatever you do, you have to do it perfectly. You have to know how to do it and then focus upon how you are doing. That is one thing. And the second thing, do never ask for results. Do never pay your attention towards results. That is called jnanam. Not seeking results, fruits of the action is jnanam. Performing your duty perfectly is karma. So now what you are doing? You are performing your duty, having the jnanam behind in your mind that I should not be seeking fruits of my action. When you can do your duties with these two aspects, then your mind will be very stable, mind will be even. That means you are very much established in the jnanam while doing your karma. Arjuna, then you will be far superior than those who are performing their duties and seeking fruits and getting so much of karma bandham, bondage. Like this, Krishna Paramatma teaching all of us to perform our duties in such a way, those karmas not causing any bandham to us. Having this Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, also trying to put Krishna Paramatma's teaching in our practice, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Dure nahi avaram karma buddhi yogat dhananjaya buddhau saranamanvicha krupanaha phalahetavaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do all your activities as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, thinking that you are my belonging, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day, keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, You will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on doing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहावा पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other rishis, saying that, O Maharshis, Dharma Devata, which is in the form of Vrishabham, inquiring with Bhumata, who is there in the form of Gomata, asking that, O Gomata, why are you crying? Is that because none of the kings, none of the rulers have any more respect upon Brahmanas? Is that the reason you are crying? O Gomata, there are rulers, kings, not ruling their kingdom, not ruling their states properly. On top of that, they are ruining the places, they are ruining their states, they are ruining their kingdoms. Is that the reason, O Gomata, you are crying? And all the people on this earth, they don't have any kind of spirituality. They are just drowned. They are just focused upon eating and giving birth to the children. That is what is their main duty. That is what is their main activity. O Gomata, is that the reason you are crying? O Gomata, Krishna Paramatma left his avataram and he is not seen on this earth. Is that the reason you are crying? Because you are missing Krishna Paramatma? Because you are missing all of his divine activities, divine Kalyana Gunas? Is that the reason you are crying, O Gomata? O Vasundare, Yena Vikarsitasi, O Dharani Mata, what is the reason behind your tapam, your grief? Please tell me. Like that, when Dharmadevata asked, now Gomata is saying, O Dharmadevata, Bhavan hi Veda tat sarvam. You know everything, whatever that you are now asking me, all that you know very well. Why I am crying? O Dharmadevata, You are the one who's supposed to be going around the entire creation and blessing all the people. Now, O Dharmadevata, I am missing Paramatma. Paramatma's Kalyana Gunas are unlimited, uncountable. O Dharmadevata, Paramatma has Satyam, Saucham, Daya, Kshantihi, Tyagaha, Santosham, Arjavam. All these great attributes Paramatma has. Like this, Gomata describing Paramatma's Kalyana Gunas and sharing all those Kalyana Gunas with Dharmadevata. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Srivallabheti Varadeti Dayapareti Bhaktapriyeti Bhavaluntanako Videti Nadheti Nagasayaneti Jagannivaseti Alapanam Pratipadam Kurume Mukunda. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 49th sloka. Dure nahi avaram karma buddhi yogat dhananjaya buddhau saranamanvichha krupanaha phalahetavaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.